We are going to continue our work with exponents, and today we're going to talk about the power property of exponents. Now I have a power, and I'm raising it to another power. So what do we do with this? We've talked about multiplying powers, dividing powers, okay, and those have the same base, the zero property, the negative property. If I'm raising a power to a power, I multiply the exponents. So this is going to be a to the m times n. I just multiply the two together. So, of course, over here, I have 4 squared, and it is raised to the 6th power, so it is 2 times 6, which is 4 to the 12th power. And as I said yesterday, I'm not going to ask you to go ahead and tell me what 4 to the 12th power is, but I want to know that you know what the base is and what the power is. Let's see how this works. So if I have 5 squared and I'm raising it to the 4th power, right? So this is 5 squared times 5 squared times 5 squared times 5 squared. So what does this mean? Well, 5 squared is 5 times 5. I have it there, over here, over here. I keep going. So what do I have? This is my base is 5, and how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 to the 8th, which back up here, I can see my base is 5, and it's 2 times 4, which is 5 to the 8th power. Okay? So if we are simplifying these, let's just do some of these down here. Okay? N to the 4 times 7, or n to the 28th power. And that's all I'm going to ask you to do with those. Now, when we're simplifying expressions with powers, let's look at this one. Let's look at b. Okay? I have x squared, and I'm multiplying that by x to the 6 times negative 4. We can see that 6 times negative 4, when I have a power raised to a power, I'm going to multiply those together. And 6 times negative 4 is negative 24. Now I'm back to what we did yesterday. My base is the same, so I'm going to add the exponents. So this is x to the 2 plus negative 24, which is negative 22. Guess what we want? Nothing with negative exponents, so I need to move it to the denominator. My answer is 1 over x to the 22nd power. That's all we're doing here. Now let's look down here, raising a product to a power. All this means is I apply the power, okay, AB to the nth power. I apply the power to the A and to the B. A to the nth power, B to the nth power. An example of that would be over here. 3x to the 4th power will be 3 to the 4th power and x to the 4th power. So 3 to the 4th power is 81. You don't have to do this part, but the ending would be 81x to the 4th power. So if you have something down here, find the expression that represents the area of the square. I'm told that the area, each side length, is 5x cubed. I've got 4 of those. To find the area, okay, if I were to find the perimeter, I would add all these up. The area is the length times the width. So I have 5x cubed, and that is squared. My length is 5x cubed. My width is 5x cubed. So I'm going to say 5 squared and x cubed squared, which is 3 times 2. That would be 3 times 2 is 6. My ending would be 5 squared, which is 25, x to the 6. And you can just leave it 5 squared if you would like. And that's what we're working on today. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. 10 to 11 and 2 to 3. I'll be here. Have a great day.